Hey everyone, it's Deepica and I am reporting to you from my home. Like the rest of the world, I'm officially spinning for no reason. I think I'm losing it. No, I'm just kidding. Today's video, I am calling in Mama Pandu because I think the content that the world needs right now is some Mama Pandu. I think we all can agree. So basically like 20 minutes ago, I asked you guys to ask Mama Pandu questions and it's popping off. So there's tons of questions in here. So we're gonna call Mama Pandu in right now and give us all the big hugs and smiles and virtual happiness. Let's see if Mama Pandu knows how to handle technology. I actually will be really impressed if my mother knows how to call me and record the conversation at the same time. But you know what? I don't give her enough credit. I think she'll know what to do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I was told by YouTube, I was like, why aren't people subscribing to my channel? How do I get people to do that? They said you gotta remind people. Please subscribe if you're watching this video and you want to see more. Hit the button and subscribe so you get notifications. All right, let's call Mama Pandu. She better answer. Just kidding, she always answers me. She only ignores my dad, she never ignores her children. Hi Mama.
Deepalu, how
Will
are
you
you?
call?
Hey Raj, what are you doing?
I'm making some vadas today. In the afternoon, we want to eat some snack. So I'm just making some vadas.
I want vadas.
Dal vada.
Yum.
So what's up? How is everything? You moved to finally your room, your apartment?
I'm back in my apartment.
From Radhi and Jay Setti. Thank God, they're angels really.
You know, people were saying in my other comments, like, why are you going back and forth? And so they didn't realize that, like, I was already with Jay and Radhi when they said to do shelter in place in California. So, like, I just stayed with them because they were nice enough to let me stay with them, you know? They had a pipe burst, so they weren't even in their house. So they were in a place where they had another bedroom for me. They moved back into their old house. So now that they don't have an extra bedroom for me, the rest of the quarantine time, I'm gonna be by myself here.
So what are you planning to do? Food? Poor girl, you don't know how to cook food.
Maybe the next time we'll do a video of you teaching me to cook something.
Okay, good. Some simple things. Finally, whatever it is, Corona ganiga talli, I'm glad you have a time to talk to us.
So people have all these questions.
What questions, Ra? You call me to ask questions? You know, you always do that. You just call me for something and you say that I'm asking you questions.
Mom, do you like my new hoodie? Look, we got tinted new hoodie. I'll buy you one.
Deepika, I put today your hue stick.
Which color? Oh, you have Freon. Raj, what have you been doing?
Cleaning the house.
See that? Today he did mass cleaning, Roy. I have to thank him. So that's why I'm treating him today this.
Good. Before we start, somebody said, why is she so gorgeous?
Oh my God, I am not gorgeous, Ra.
You are gorgeous, Mom.
Because of Papa Pandu.
Oh, look at what he's saying. Did you hear?
What'd he say?
He said because of Papa Pandu. Oh my God, Raja. So nice. They said I'm gorgeous.
Let's move on from the flattery. How is your family doing back in Andhra?
So right now my sister went to India. She's in Kakinada right now, but she's supposed to come actually March 15th, but they said quarantine. But she's in very good place in Kakinada. So all my family members are there okay. They're doing good. Thank you.
How do you get over a really bad day?
Immediately, first thing when I get any bad thing, first I'll pray God. If there is anything I can do, I'll try to call people and do things. But if there is nothing I can do, I will be just quiet. It's better to be quiet and stay. That's what I do, Nana.
That's good advice. You and I don't know how to be quiet, so I'm surprised.
I know. But
Right, Dad?
oh, look at this.
Yum. Speaking of your cooking, so many questions saying, we missed the cooking videos from Mama Pandu. When is she gonna share more cooking? When are you going to do it, Mom? The people need to know.
They really want me to do it. Number one thing is I don't know how to video, how to do all these things.
Doesn't matter, Mom. Just use your iPhone.
She has to learn how to edit.
Huh?
So I'm going to teach her.
Daddy, you don't know how to edit. Everybody in the comments below, tell Mom to keep doing her YouTube channel. She has like 10,000 subscribers and she just stopped.
Okay, I'll try.
What makes you feel the most happy?
Before I go to bed, if you and Munnigadu call me, I just feel I'm safe.
Are you excited to be a grandma? How excited are you to have a grandson?
How excited? Man, God.
She's waited her entire life for this moment. My dad too, he's been waiting for a boy his whole life.
Waiting so long. I want a baby in the house. So now Monica started working from home this week. Now I feel good, so I don't have to worry. I know Deenu is in ICU. That's another stress to me. I'm still proud of them. Both they're really one of the. It's like they're going like a soldiers to the war. I feel. And my Buddigadu Guda as a soldier, he's going. He's also going to the hospital.
Baby Pandu's already a hero.
He's already a hero from inside the mommy. But today, Monica went for doctor. First thing she called me morning. She said, "Mom, everything fine. Baby is already doing good. He's already came on to the position. But still at least 2 more weeks."
What is your biggest similarity with Deepica? Oh, there's so many. Duplicate Padmasri is what I was always told.
Deepica, you and me, so many similarities. If anything we want to do, we just want to finish it up. Adi 11 nidra pattadu. We can't sleep. That's another big problem to me.
Are you an avid user of the Hue sticks? Which one is your favorite?
I like all the shades, Deepica, but I love this one.
I knew Free was going to be your favorite, the berry.
Yeah, this one is my favorite.
What are you most proud about, lovely Deepica? Smiley face. Thanks, Polly Pocket.
There is something inside you nobody knows, which only I know. You're so caring and responsible kid. I know that. You care how busy you are, but when things happen in the family, you take a time and come and visit. So family values you have more, Deepica. I always proud of you for that.
Thanks, Mom. What's your favorite song? Completely different subject besides my emotions.
In Telugu or English?
You don't have a favorite English song?
I do.
What is it?
In Titanic.
Oh, Celine Dion. Near, far. That one.
Love that song, Deepica.
Somebody asked Mahesh Babu or Pavan Kalyan. You love Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu, no doubt. If anybody asks Prabhas and Mahesh Babu, I say Prabhas.
Yeah, Prabhas is your favorite, yeah. Me too. And then a lot of people are just asking how you're doing. How are you doing, Mom?
I am doing just great, Deepica. Nowadays, when I'm home, I'm using a little bit yoga, meditation, and then breathing exercise, and I'm going in the treadmill. And recently, we are only eating one meal.
Mom, this is not the same house I grew up in.
Exactly. This is not the same house. And I feel guilty now thinking that whenever you try to do a diet, I used to drink in front of you Coke, and I feel now thinking is so feel guilty. I feel like, now I'm 60 years old. I enjoyed all those things. I know all the taste. Remember, you taught me that thing.
My thought process is when I'm in a mode where I'm trying to cleanse and just feel a little healthier and there's temptation around, my mindset is like, if I've already tasted it once, then I know what it tastes like, so I never feel like I need to try it again. Like if I go to Italy, I'm gonna eat the pasta because that's an experience and you wanna be able to have that memory. But it's like, I don't need to eat like the Subway cookie every single time I go just to have the same Subway cookie.
To be honest with you, Deepalu, recently I'm learning so many things from you and Munigadu. I cannot believe how I turned like that. I used to say, Monica, Deepica, do this, do that. Now, you guys are telling, Mom, do this, do that. Can you believe how changed life is?
Lots of questions on, did you find Deepica's husband? What's going on with Deepica and her husband? We're gonna move right past that.
Find a boy for you? Ayyo, Rama.
What is one thing you hope to instill in your grandson when it comes to cultural traditions? I like that question.
ఆడి కూర్చోబెట్టి తెలుగు నేర్పేస్తాను శుభ్రంగా కూర్చోబెట్టి పద్యాలు పాఠాలు తెలుగు నేర్పేస్తాను ఆడికి.
Basically she said she's going to teach that kid Telugu, which is our language that we speak.
Yeah, I want to teach him Telugu and I want to take him to Budi Budi.
Oh my god, I'm just imagining this little Telugu boy running around in a little diaper. Why is _weirdo said, I'm being very honest. Seeing you cheers me up, auntie. That's all we want. We'll do more videos of Mama Pandu as long as it cheers everybody up. Thanks for doing this, Mom.
Okay, thank you, Amma. But next time, tell me little early.
I'm sorry. Thanks for doing this. Everybody's going to be very happy that you did it.
Stay safe and please don't go out. And I will think to do videos for you. Thank you for all your compliments. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Love you, Mom.
Love you, Pandu. Be careful, okay? Bye, Pandu.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like what you see, comment down below. What else do you want to see from me, myself, and I in my quarantine hole? I'm going crazy. No, I'm not. I'm fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay, yeah, let me know down below what you want to see from me at home. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. This is how I entertain myself, talking to a camera. So, hello.